What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to get free cryptocurrency on Coinbase. First of all, sign into your account on coinbase.com. If you don't have one, you can find the link in the description. Sign up, get verified, and only after that you'll be able to earn crypto. So let's get started. Go to the home page, scroll down and find the earn crypto button. As you get in there, you are going to see a list of all crypto available to be earned. Okay, let me explain what are we going to do. We are going to talk about the learn and earn method. It is pretty easy, it takes just a little effort and time, and you don't need any skill for that. But the most important thing is that's for free, guys. As I told you, this method is very simple, and the only thing you have to do is just watch some short videos, and after that to pick the answer. And if you think that it sounds too easy, well, I made it even easier for you guys. I mean, you don't even have to watch all those videos till the end, because I got all the right answers for you. So you have to just follow step by step what I'm doing here. So as all being said, let's go to the top of the page, and the first crypto we are going to earn is new cipher. As you can see here, the new customers must wait 24 hours and fulfill all eligibility criteria to earn. Further, I let you see how it works, and I'm going to come back later to check our results. Okay guys, before going forward, let's check our portfolio to see how much you got so far. As you can see, in just a few minutes we got free crypto in value of 10 euro, even a bit more, and this is just beginning. What do you think about it? Are you ready to go to the next one? Okay, just keep watching. As you can see in our portfolio, the total value of free crypto we got is 26 euro or a bit more than $31 depending on your local currency. For some crypto in this list, even you start learning, there is not an option to take the quiz and to pick the answer, so maybe try later. For the others, you just get a message of put you're in the waiting list as the crypto has been claimed, and they will notify you if more rewards become available. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates, and after you got your free crypto, come back and hit the like button or do that in advance cause you'll get it anyway. So see you in the next video, guys.